Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on rotary floor buffers. This guide shows how they're your ultimate versatile secret to keeping commercial hard floors like marble, vinyl, and terrazzo looking incredibly glossy without breaking a sweat. First, let's talk function. Unlike wet scrubbers, buffers mostly use dry polishing to remove scuffs, spinning a circular pad at 150 to 300 RPM. Think of it like a giant high-speed orbital sander, but designed exclusively for making things shiny and smooth. Because of this crazy powerful spinning action, they're incredibly efficient, which directly boosts your bottom line. Second, their extreme versatility is a huge cost saver. By literally just swapping out color-coded pads, like a black one for aggressive stripping or a white one for polishing, one single machine handles a variety of tasks to extend your floor's life. Seriously, why waste money and storage on multiple single-use machines when one buffer literally handles the whole shebang just by changing a pad? Since it's such a valuable multi-tool, you've got to know how to choose and maintain one, bringing us to our final point. Finally, let's cover purchasing and maintenance. Corded models give you unlimited power but can be tripping hazards, while battery-powered ones offer amazing mobility but need charging. Also, bigger isn't always better. Larger 20-inch pads cover more ground, but they require way more operator skill to control safety. And remember, basic maintenance, like washing pads and checking cords for frays, is absolutely crucial. So rotary floor buffers are incredibly versatile, cost-saving powerhouses that make hard floor maintenance an absolute breeze. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 5% off your next purchase at Aeolith. Just use the promo code AEOLITH2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out!